Welcome to my world. Hey my beautiful loves, and happy Monday. I am about to do a pure clay purify and mattify mask, and then I'm going to get my day started. You can really see the blue in my hair. It's a blue black. You can really see it in here. I'm gonna have to dye it again in the next couple days. I keep saying that and then I keep putting it off because I'm in the process of moving and it's crazy. Very, very hectic. But let's try this baby out. I do not have my brush. So basically, I'm just slopping this on my face. But anyways, how are y'all doing today? What y'all goals for this week? What are y'all trying to accomplish? What do y'all have going on? You know, this is the I Am Simply Beautiful family, so I really want to engage with y'all and get to know you. Like I said, I am in the process of moving and getting things together, which is a process in itself. If you have moved before, I'm sure you feel my pain. I actually really like the texture of this. I am waiting for the revised cover of our next book compilation, which was supposed to already come out. I Am Living Out Loud. I'm waiting for the cover to come back because the actual cover creator I usually use ended up deciding they weren't going to be working right now, and I had to use somebody else. I can't get my cover to upload right. And I'm so ready for y'all to see this book because I'm telling you the stories and stuff. I've read these amazing women's stories, and it is truly beyond phenomenal. So I'm going to check on that today, get a few things done around here, and I shall keep you updated with what I'm doing. Well, now I still have my beauty mask on. I feel it getting a little bit tight. And I have a hair mask in my hair. So I figured to start this week off right, do a little self-care, self-love check, and then get in to business and do what I got to do. My Ricky's got crushes as ships. I will let you know when I get it because I'm so ready for the unboxing. So I just washed everything off of my face and the mask out of my hair. And I have to say it actually really made my face feel soft. And now I'm going to get ready to do a video on a new book I'm part of, The Diary of a People Pleaser. 2 of my princesses aren't feeling too good. I think it's just these summer allergies here in Louisiana. And so I'm nursing them back to health and hoping that literally I don't get it in the process. I'm going to work on filming that people-pleasing video today for the book and telling you a little bit more about it. Also, I'm going to do some packing and try to get I Am Living Out Loud, the cover done. That way I can end up getting that put out there, marketing and promoting it, so y'all can, you know, see everybody that's part of the book, learn about their stories. And then I will be working on the 12 in 12 books, which is 12 books in 12 months. We're launching in 2019. So I have literally packed up boxes, unpacked boxes, looked for something in the boxes, repacked boxes, went through them, put them in a new box, labeled that new box, and then realized I probably wouldn't know what was in that box by the label. So then I ended up labeling it something else or changing it to an... Y'all, really, I'm in like packing madness. And I don't think you ever realize how much stuff you really do have until you go to move. And then you're like, dang, I didn't realize I had this much stuff. And even as much stuff as I'm trying to get rid of me and my girls, it's just, we still have stuff. We still have a lot of stuff. And it's like, please tell me I'm not the only one that like packing is just like getting teeth pulled. I'm making my famous chili cheese fries for lunch just because I feel like it.
And pour my meat back.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video and got a little bit more insight into my day. I'm going to probably post my people pleaser video first and then probably start doing my unboxings once these boxes get here. So I'm super impatient about that. But I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. Please like this video, comment, tell me more about yourself, what you love, and then subscribe to this channel so you can get all of my wacky, crazy, fun, beautylicious, confidence building videos in the future. All right, y'all, see you next time. Love you. Bye.